Hello guys, welcome to Papa Bear Vlog. We are now sailing towards Prince Christian Sound of Greenland. Ito yung guys yung kadalasang pinupuntahan ng mga expedition ship, cruise ships, passenger vessel kasi maraming magagandang tanawin ito. Actually, this is solid rocks, please, halos lahat bato. Pero mostly in winter, sa ngayon kasi it's summer. So, pero may makakita ka pa rin mga iceberg or mga ice na hindi palusaw, and then yung mga bundok litaw na kasi on the other side halos wala na yun. So makikita nyo maliliit na lang yung yellow. On the other side of this Prince Christian Sound, may trace pa rin ng mga yelong mga ice na yung hindi pa nalusaw, halos itim na because this time of year dito sa Greenland, dito sa parte na to, sa baba halos palusaw ng hilo, pero sa upper part ng Greenland, which is whole year round covered ng ice, pero we are not going up there because itong barko natin is designed for slight icebergs, hindi siya designed for heavy iceberg. So kung saan lang yung ship, doon lang siya pwedeng magnabigar. But you see, as you can see, may mga yellow pa rin around this Prince Christian Sound. So actually, this is naman talaga yung hindi ito yung destination namin. We are going to two ports or two town on this island, but we are arriving in afternoon time. So as we pass through this Prince Christian Sound, see, may mga may mga yellow pa rin tayo makikita. Yun ang pinaka tourist attraction dito sa lugar na to. Pero nung makita ko guys, puro talaga siya bato. Solid rocks. Merong mga structure dito which is mga observation station lang sa mga papasok na parang normally wala. This place is very empty. Halos empty siya. As you can see, mga rocks lang talaga siya. Pwede na pa rin magtayo ng structure, pero it is very isolated because Greenland is considered as the biggest island in Arctic Circle. So I hope you enjoy this video guys, and thank you very much for watching, and see you again around. Thank you for watching. Ice class kasi yun. Ito hindi. Normal lang to na yung expedition. Kayang pumasok sa mga iceberg. Yung Antarctic voyage nga namin, pasok lahat Puro bato, puro mag-aararo dyan Yung parang naririnig nyo na parang static guys, malakas kasi ang hangin. It is more than around 30 to 35 knots per hour, so talagang nasasagap siya ng video. But para maiwas tayo sa tinatawag na copyrights, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng music guys. Original sound yung gagamitin natin. And uulitin ko again, thank you for watching, and sana huwag niyong kaligtaang mag-subscribe, and then touch the notification bell para updated kayo. Marami tayong videos na coming for this season. We are now going to Canada and then United States, and we are going to summer. So mainit na guys. Okay, thank you for watching again.
Yeah.